What's good, 7th graders? We have a couple vocab words to go over as we are writing equations and solving those equations. A couple words that will be helpful in this. The word is means equals. So when you're reading the problem, reading through the sentence, when you see the word is, it's going to mean equals. So as you're reading through the context, think of that. Also, if it says something about the total, that's what it's going to equal as well. Of and times both mean to multiply. Less than will mean subtraction. Per, like per day, per hour, per dollar, or for every is going to indicate where the variable needs to be in the problem. Okay, there are other words as well, but these are probably the ones that will be the least familiar to you or the most difficult to figure out. So let's look at a couple problems that use these words. All right, Raymond just got done jumping at the Super Bounce Trampoline Center. The total cost, so there's a key word right there that's going to help us solve this, of his session was $43.25. He had to pay a $7 entry fee and $1.25 for every minute he was on the trampoline. Okay, another key word. So this total cost is going to tell us what it equals, and for every is going to tell us where our variable needs to be. Okay, so his total cost, we're going to put on the right side, is $43.25. Okay, what makes up that total is a $7 entry fee and $1.25 for every minute. So we have 7 plus $1.25 t. Because it's not just $1.25, it's $1.25 for every minute. So however many minutes he's on the trampoline, we multiply that by $1.25, add the entrance fee of $7 is going to equal our total. Now that we have the equation, we can follow our previous rules in solving for t, getting t by itself. Here's one more. Fabio and Carlos play on a basketball team together. In the last game, Fabio had 7 points less than 2 times as many points as Carlos. Fabio scored 31 points in the game. Okay, 2 important keywords here. Less than means subtract, times means multiply. Okay, and where we have as many points as Carlos's points right here is C. So that's going to be where our variable is. All right, so we have our total score right here of 31 points. That's going to go on the right. It says Fabio scored 31 points. Okay, what makes up that 31 points? Well, it was 7 points less than 2 times as many as Carlos. So 2 times as many as Carlos would be Carlos's points times 2. We need to multiply, and what we're multiplying by is Carlos's points. And then it was 7 less than that. Okay, the thing that we're going to want to do, the thing that seems natural a lot of times is doing 7 minus 2c. Okay, but that is not how this needs to be written. It needs to be written 2c minus 7, because it's 7 less than 2 times Carlos. So 7 less than 2 times Carlos's points. Okay, a couple examples. Keep those keywords in mind as you're working through this practice.